The cellular industry is one of the fastest growing businesses in America today. In 1984, there were 25,000 cellular phones put on cellular systems. By 1995, that number is projected to be over 20 million subscribers, and the industry is still in its infancy. OKI Telecom is uniquely positioned to meet the world's need for new cellular products. OKI pioneered the development of cellular telephones and remains on the leading edge of technological advancements. From research and development, through manufacturing, marketing, sales support, and finally service, OKI is committed to providing the finest cellular products available.
OKI phones have the quality and look people want. Like most phones today, there are a lot of features. But with OKI phones, the features are easy to access. So I don't get a lot of calls asking, how do I do this? How do I do that?
It's here in an OKI Telecom research and development lab that skilled engineers find new ways to incorporate technologically advanced features into OKI phones, or shrink their size and weight, or explore new applications of cellular technology. But long before work begins in the lab, OKI is conducting other kinds of research. The most important ingredient in OKI's R&D efforts is customer feedback. What do people really want in a cellular telephone? What features make life simpler and the phone more convenient? And what features and options enhance airtime usage?
It's real tempting to just say, put those features in because it's what we want, but that doesn't mean that it meets the customer's needs. It's a real challenge to find what people want, but the result is phones that meet people's needs.
At labs in Japan and the United States, OKI engineers find ways to incorporate those features deemed most desirable. They also participate in research projects to determine new directions for cellular technology. OKI Telecom has been an active partner in the development of new digital technology and standard setting. By searching for improved spectral efficiency, OKI is doing its part to develop a more efficient product for the marketplace. OKI was among the first to successfully demonstrate dual-mode technology and continues to investigate new digital technologies that will improve spectral efficiency. OKI also is investing in research that will lead to new market segments and enhance usage of personal communication services. OKI technological innovations continue to set the standard for competitors. For example, the OKI phones 800 and 900 series were the first to receive DTMF signals, opening the door to new features and uses for cellular telephones. And OKI pioneered a visor phone and continues to successfully integrate mobile phones into automotive design.
Cellular is still new technology, and there are a lot of companies that are jumping on the bandwagon. It's got to make you wonder what they really know about the cellular industry, and in particular, what customers want. Give me a company like OKI that's got a track record.
OKI pioneered cellular technology. In 1976, OKI designed and manufactured the world's first cellular transceiver and control unit. In February 1982, OKI became the first manufacturer to receive FCC-type acceptance on a cellular mobile telephone unit. In a business as new as today, it's nice to know the leader has over 100 years of experience. In 1878, just a year after its invention, samples of the first prototype telephone made their way to Japan. It sparked the imagination of an engineer named Kibataro Oki, who formed his own telephone manufacturing company 3 years later in 1881. Today, his company, OKI Electric Industry Company Limited, is a multi-billion-dollar electronics organization that manufactures and markets equipment in over 100 countries. OKI Telecom is a division of OKI America Incorporated, the umbrella company in America for OKI Electric. Other American divisions include OKI Data for computer peripherals and OKI Semiconductor for semiconductor products. In addition to making high-quality cellular products, OKI Telecom also manufactures automotive electronics. This background in the automotive industry has proven valuable in OKI's work with integrated mobile phones. Through its parent company and American Electronics divisions, OKI Telecom taps into the wide range of technological advancements that are shaping the way people transmit information and communicate. Despite its Japanese heritage, OKI's manufacturing facility is as American as apple pie, football, and Atlanta, Georgia. OKI Telecom's state-of-the-art manufacturing facility is located here in a city that has consistently been a leader in growth and technological development. Recently built, OKI's specially designed facility incorporates the company's extensive automated and robotic manufacturing machinery. Precision manufacturing is a key to achieving excellence in electronic technology and increasing cost competitiveness. Therefore, OKI has invested heavily in automation and robotics. Attention to detail is integral to every step of the production process. From the fully automated warehouse stocked with thousands of necessary components to the immaculate working environment, OKI employees focus on quality. OKI employees are able to do their best thanks to a comprehensive safety program that encompasses the entire employee population. A bright, clean environment combined with thorough training and safety procedures makes for comfortable, worry-free working conditions. But creating a high-quality cellular telephone takes more than the most technologically advanced manufacturing equipment. It requires a conscientious, dedicated team of workers who ensure each step of the manufacturing process is as close to perfect as possible.
It's important to me that my job be done right. When I finish final testing a unit, I put my stamp on it, and it goes to shipping.
By checking each other's work, we can catch problems early. But if we miss anything, there's group leaders and inspectors available to triple check things.
1, 2, testing 1, 2, 1, 2. As an inspector, I disassemble several phones that have been built by each shift on the manufacturing floor. Primary purpose is to check for quality. We don't want anything to get to the customer that isn't perfect.
To ensure OKI phones satisfy our quality standards, every phone is tested 44 times before it leaves the manufacturing facility. OKI's Perfect Environmental Testing System, or PETS, is the world's first simulation testing system for cellular telephones. Within this system, a day of testing mirrors the challenges of a year of actual use, a very rigorous year. The first step in PETS testing is thermal shock, where the internal components are chilled below zero, then blasted with heat. Then it's back to room temperature, not once, but over and over again. We also simulate the vibration a phone will receive. Even if the phone withstands the vibration, temperature, and humidity tests, it must pass one more hurdle, our skilled inspectors. They test the finished cellular phones in actual operation. Only then are they ready for the streets. OKI Telecom knows that every step of the production process is important, including the final one of packaging. The clean, graphic design of the packaging attractively displays the phone. And OKI's packaging has not only passed strict national standards, it has met even a tougher test. Phones are not damaged in shipping or handling.
I know when I sell someone an OKI phone, they're going to be pleased. Just looking at the OKI phone, you can see the quality, and it's there in the touch. But the bottom line is reliability. Once I sell someone an OKI phone, that's usually the last I'll see of it. No service calls, unless, of course, they want to trade it in for a new OKI phone.
OKI's support continues after the phone is shipped. It begins with friendly, responsive service representatives in the Sales Administration Department.
Thank you, and have a good day. I really enjoy speaking with our customers on the phone. Some of them feel like family, but what really makes me feel good is when I can help them with a problem, like getting a shipment out a little faster or locating something special they need.
Centrally located regional offices are available to provide comprehensive sales support. A market support specialist and sales training specialist supplement these efforts. OKI's Market Communications Department develops consumer advertising material, brochures, and training materials, as well as customer-oriented promotional programs.
Buy yourself some time. OKI Cellular Phones.